Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check for TikTok account warning, and all you have to do is to launch the TikTok application, and we're going to tap on our profile, and in the case that you do have a TikTok account warning, you're going to see just below your names a sentence that is written TikTok account warning in red. Once you tap on it, it's going to direct you to a place that looks like this. And once you're here and you tap on see details, you are going to be directed to process, and you're going to see why your account has been banned. And your alternative is to head on over back to your TikTok. And while you're still here, you're going to tap on the three lines, and then you're going to tap on TikTok Studio. From here, you are going to tap on account check here at more tools. And in the case that you do have a problem or that your account has been restricted, you're going to see an option, or if you have any account warnings, you're going to see them here. And thank you guys for watching this video. I do please heart if it did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.